Whew, man, it's humid this morning. We haven't had any rain, so I think we have some rain coming this afternoon, some thunderstorms, and that's why it's so humid. I mean, I'm just doing a little bit moving and I'm sweating. Look at that. I'm doing some pine straw, so I want to show you that the pine straw I have 70 bales I gotta put on this house by myself. My help didn't show up, so let me show you right now. I already got that bed. Hoy vamos a poner pine straw 70. That one's done. That one needs to be done. All that front needs to be done right here, right there, right there, and on the back too. So yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning. I'll show you the back in a little bit. Well, let's just go walk. The side is coming up. Real bad on this back. Anyway, that's the pine straw there. All back there, around the house pretty much. Alright, so let me get to it. It is gonna be humid. It, man. Alright, I'll show you how to put this out. I'll show you. Alright, se acabó todo. That's it, man. Looks really nice. It only took 60 bales. So that's all. I think it's around 11:30. Time for lunch. He didn't want nothing on the back. So. Well, just from here. I stopped on there that way. Let's go, man. Let's go to the next one. I gotta go by the lake and put some dirt, fill out a couple holes, and put a little bit, few pieces aside. So that's what I'm doing next. I'm gonna stop and get some lunch first. Alright, so I have some dirt now and a couple pieces aside, which I'm gonna put back there by the lake. Somewhere back there on the edge. When I fix that, put some dirt and then a little bit of salt. This is 2 yards. Alright, so this is where the dirt is gonna go. A rellenar todo eso. All the line right here. So I think I have enough dirt. Man, it's hot. It's hot. Alright, let's get to it, man. Ya terminé. I'm done. So let me show you. I think I'm gonna get more side. I mean, a whole pallet at least to cover all these spots. Only about 10 pieces. Look at that. Gonna need way more. And probably more dirt. Más. It's gonna need a lot, probably. At least one more yard. Alright, so it looks so much better now. Alright, let's go. That's all, man. I didn't show any image or any footage of me doing it. It's just me. But that's what I did. It's like I think 250, 240. Time to go. It's Friday. Alright, let's go, man. Later. I think that'll be okay.